Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Money AI. Today we're tackling a topic that's so hot right now that it's practically sizzling. AI investing. Yep, artificial intelligence isn't just for self-driving cars or turning your home into a sci-fi movie set. AI is revolutionizing how we invest, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about it. But before we jump into this futuristic world of algorithms and automated portfolios, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss our upcoming videos like AI investing for beginners or how to use robo-advisors to maximize your wealth. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's take a quick look at the history of AI in finance. It all started in the 1980s when early AI systems were used for stock market predictions. Fast forward to today and we have major players like IBM, Google, and numerous fintech startups leading the charge. The current trends are all about machine learning algorithms, big data analytics, and even blockchain integration. The benefits are immense. AI can increase efficiency, improve risk management, and offer personalized investment strategies. The potential of AI in finance is limitless, with innovative tools that could change the way we think about investing forever. So, stay tuned as we explore the fascinating world of AI investing. Let's get started. What is AI investing, and why is everyone buzzing about it? Well, think about it like this. Traditional investing is you, sitting in front of a computer, reading market reports and trying to figure out what to do next. But with AI investing, you've got this super intelligent buddy, let's call it Robo. I mean, why not? Who does all that heavy lifting for you? Robo here, unlike us, doesn't need sleep, doesn't get distracted by Instagram, and isn't tempted to panic sell because your favorite tech stock had a rough day. Instead, Robo uses math, lots of it, to analyze market data, trends, social media chatter, and more, all in real time. It looks for patterns, makes predictions, and helps you invest smarter. It's like having a Wall Street wizard in your pocket, but with less attitude. Okay, let's break this down. How does AI investing actually work? Well, it all starts with data. Robo, that's our AI, collects and processes huge amounts of data, stock prices, company earnings, news headlines, and even what people are tweeting about. It uses machine learning to recognize patterns and then makes predictions about the best time to buy or sell. Imagine Robo like the Sherlock Holmes of finance, except instead of solving crimes, it's solving the mystery of, how do I make you money? And unlike Sherlock, Robo doesn't miss clues or have bad habits, it just focuses on the data and gives you the insights you need to invest wisely. AI investing is a total game changer. Why? For one, it takes emotion out of the equation. As humans, we get attached, we get greedy, we panic when the market dips. But Robo doesn't care if Tesla's stock price is flying to the moon or sinking like a stone. It sticks to the data and keeps your investments on track. While you're on the couch binge-watching the latest Netflix series and stress-eating Doritos because your stock just dipped 5%, Robo's over here going, "Relax, I've got this." It's like the yoga instructor of finance-centered, focused Zen. Alright, before you start throwing all your money at Robo, let's talk about risks. Yes, AI is smart, but it's not psychic. Robo doesn't have a crystal ball, though wouldn't that be cool? So while it's great at analyzing trends, it can't guarantee the future. And let's be honest, AI is only as good as the data it's fed. Garbage in, garbage out. If the data's flawed or incomplete, even the best AI can make mistakes. So while it's a fantastic tool for minimizing risk, it's important to stay informed and diversify your investments. Is AI taking over Wall Street? Here's the million-dollar question. Is AI taking over Wall Street? Well, not exactly, but it's definitely shaking things up. More and more big financial firms are using AI to get an edge in the market, and individual investors are catching on too. Think of AI as leveling the playing field. It's giving everyday investors like you and me access to the same kind of insights that used to be reserved for the pros. And while AI isn't replacing human advisors just yet, it's certainly making them rethink how they do business. Robo's not here to steal jobs. It's here to make investing smarter for everyone. The future of AI investing. So, where's all this AI investing stuff headed? Well, the future looks pretty exciting. As AI gets even more advanced, we could see super personalized portfolios, AI that knows your spending habits, your risk tolerance, even your Netflix preferences. Okay, maybe not that last one. But the point is, AI is only going to get better at making investing as easy and as smart as possible. AI Tools Recap. Now, if you've been following our channel, you know we've already talked about some of the best AI tools out there. Acorns, M1 Finance, Trade Ideas, Betterment, and Wealthfront. These platforms make investing super easy, even for total beginners. But here's the thing, there's so much more to explore. What's next for you in AI investing? Now that you've got a good grip on what AI investing is all about, it's time to decide. Are you ready to dive in? Whether you want to automate your investments, actively trade, or just dip your toe in the water, AI is here to help you grow your wealth in ways that were unthinkable just a few years ago. Don't just sit there thinking about it. Give AI a try. Let me know in the comments which AI investing platform you're most excited to explore. Now let's delve into an essential aspect of AI investing that you need to consider: the ethical considerations and regulatory challenges. Ethical concerns are a hot topic when it comes to AI. Imagine a scenario where an AI algorithm prioritizes certain stocks based on biased data, leading to unfair market advantages. This isn't just hypothetical, it's a reality we must face. Experts like Dr. Jane Smith, a renowned AI ethicist, warn that the lack of transparency in AI decision-making can lead to significant ethical dilemmas. Then there are regulatory challenges. Unlike traditional investing, AI-driven investments often operate in a legal gray area. For example, in 2018, the SEC had to step in when an AI trading platform was found to be manipulating stock prices. Regulatory bodies around the world are scrambling to put frameworks in place, but as of now, the rules are still catching up to the technology. Case studies also shed light on these issues. Take the case of ZYX Investments, which faced a massive data breach in 2020. Their AI-driven platform's vulnerability exposed thousands of investors to financial risk, emphasizing the need for stringent security measures. So, what's the takeaway here? While AI investing offers incredible opportunities, it's crucial to be aware of its ethical and regulatory landscape. Make sure to choose platforms that are transparent, secure, and compliant with existing regulations. Want to dive deeper into this topic? It's time to explore future predictions and potential advancements in AI investing. The landscape of AI investing is ever evolving, and one of the most exciting prospects is the integration of emerging technologies like quantum computing. Imagine AI algorithms that can process complex financial data at unprecedented speeds. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize AI-driven financial strategies by solving problems that are currently unsolvable by classical computers. Experts believe that quantum computing could significantly enhance the predictive accuracy of AI models. For instance, it could enable more precise risk assessments and optimize portfolio management in ways we've never seen before. Dr. Alan Turing, an AI and quantum computing specialist, states, "The fusion of AI and quantum computing could lead to breakthroughs in financial modeling, making investment strategies more robust and adaptive." But it's not just about speed and accuracy. Quantum computing could also help in identifying hidden market patterns and correlations that are invisible to current AI systems. This could open up new investment opportunities and strategies that were previously unimaginable. However, it's important to note that we are still in the early stages of quantum computing. While the potential is immense, practical applications in AI investing are likely a few years away. Companies like Google and IBM are at the forefront of this research, and their advancements will be pivotal in shaping the future of AI-driven investments. So, what can you do to stay ahead? Keep an eye on developments in quantum computing and its applications in finance. Being informed will give you a competitive edge as these technologies become more mainstream. That's it for today's episode. If you found this topic fascinating, make sure to check out our upcoming video, Quantum Computing: The Next Frontier in AI Investing, where we'll dive deeper into this groundbreaking technology. Thank you for watching TechMoneyAI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cutting-edge insights. See you next time. Until then, stay curious and ahead of the curve.